Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Today I'm going to do something that I haven't done in probably over 20 years, and that is can celery. So I've got my water boiling. I'm going to put my celery that's cut into the boiling water for 3 minutes and blanch it. And I'm going to set a timer. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Second timer, 3 minutes.
Alexa helps. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Third timer, 3 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, so I'm making dinner at the same time, but while I'm doing this, what I'm going to do, I've got filtered water in this. Hang on 1 second, Alexa's done. Alexa, stop the 50-minute timer. Okay, so Alexa can be a nuisance sometime, right? Okay, so I have the water, this is filtered water, and I have my celery in here. I'm not sure how much it's gonna make, probably not that much, but I've got 6 jars out, and let me get my jar lifter. Just want to show you guys really quickly too while I'm at it. This is some of the sourdough that's going to be going out to my testers. I would like to have about 6 more testers than I have now. So if you want to try my sourdough starter that's dehydrated, please let me know. Please send me an email at thecanningnana@gmail.com and I will get one out to you when they're ready, which probably isn't going to be in it for another 2 weeks. Because I'm testing the starter, making sure that it starts. Nobody has problems with it or anything like that. So, and then I'm going to have you guys test it. Okay, so the celery is boiling. So we're blanching the celery, and we're doing that for a reason. So if you put raw celery in the jar, it's fine. You can do that. Totally fine. But you'll find that when you blanch the celery, it will be more pliable and you'll get more into the jar than you normally would with the hard raw celery. So we're going to do that. And what I'll be using this for is probably stews a lot. If I have a stir fry, I'm going to be using that for that. Some soups, some broths, we'll probably use it for. Good to have on hand when you may not be able to find fresh celery. And who knows, with the way things are in the world right now, who knows what's going to happen with fresh produce. Okay, so thank you, Alexa. Okay. Alexa, stop timer. Alexa, stop timer. Sometimes she doesn't listen. So I just got an Alexa and I don't really know how to use the Alexa system yet. So forgive me on that one. So I'm going to turn this off. And we have lots of celery in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some celery in the jars. And I really want to get my canner going here. Oops, wrong one. I really want to get a lot of celery in the jars. So I may only get a couple. So these the processing time is 35 minutes. And it's a lot less than what you would normally can other than celery. So the only thing I'm going to can today would be the celery. Normally if I can chicken or something along those lines, I will add beans to it to make a full canner. This time we're just doing celery. And I may only get 3 jars out of this. Maybe 4 jars. So we will see. Okay. A little bit more in that one, and I think we'll get 4 jars, which is not a lot, but it's enough to can. And that's what we're gonna do. So these are sitting on my counter. I've been meaning to get to these for all of this week, and I have not. So the only thing I'm going to do after this is put the water that's in here into the jars. Oh man, I'll just get, well, I'm going to have to fill these pretty full because I'm going to get 4 jars. Let's see. Might have to use a smaller jar. I'm going to try to get these in there. Let's see. This one can have a little bit more. That one can have a little bit more. Nope, I'm not going to be able to fill in the jar. And it's getting harder and harder to get it out of here. There's still quite a bit left. So, I think what I'm going to do, let's see. I can press that down a little bit. And you do want to debubble that. Oh yeah, I can get more in there. Okay. Yep. I think we could fit all of this into 4 jars. No problem. Okay. So, would you dehydrate celery or would you can celery? You could do it both ways. Both preserve the celery. The canned celery is supposed to be very good. Again, I've never tried it, but I trust the people that I've got the information from online. My sister canners, as I call them, and they've been doing this for years, and they've recommended this, so I'm going to try it. So if you can get a lot, let's see, different spatula here. Maybe we can get more with no water. Because I can easily get all of these into the jar. Uh-oh. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, well, let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to press these down again. I'm going to get my debubbler. Everything is sterile in my kitchen, guys. Everything. Move this over here. If I can just get the rest of those out of there. That one has a lot of room. And there's barely any in there. Gosh, this is so hard to get because there's barely any. Okay. And I want to show you guys the whole process as I'm doing it. So this, what makes it really easy is it only processes for 35 minutes. And besides jelly, jams, pickles, that's the shortest time for processing anything in a pressure canner that I've ever seen. Come on. Just a couple left. Thank you for sticking with me, you guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps YouTube's algorithm and it helps share my channel more, get us some more views, get our name out there. Remember the 5,500 subscriber giveaway. I think we're only 6 subscribers away from that giveaway, from reaching the number. So if you guys would share my channel, I would really appreciate that, because that would get us there much faster. Okay, so you see the jars. They look beautiful. They really do. So I'm just going to put the water from the celery in the jars with an inch of headspace, just like so. I have my canner warming. I really hate to run a canner with only 4 jars, but unfortunately I'm out of time for the evening. I have a lot to do in the next few days. Let's get the debubbler, make sure it's clean. So one of the things I'm going to work on is these debubblers with the channel's name on it. And I am going to be giving these away. So, but again, you have to be a subscriber. You can't just watch. You have to be a subscriber, you guys. You have to be notified, be a subscriber, hit the bell, be notified of, excuse me, all of the videos that I upload. When I upload them, you'll be the first to know. I'm going to have merchandise pretty soon, even masks, and lots more things coming. So I know you guys can see me. There I am. I didn't want to be the focus of this. Just wanted the celery and everything to be a focus. Okay, so I'm going to get my vinegar. Vinegar and a paper towel. I'm going to wet that. I'm going to wipe the rims. Let's move this out of the way. We're going to wipe the rims. These look really good. I think I'll do some more of these eventually. And put the lid on it. Ooh, it's hot. Finger tight. There we go. Okay, let's get them into the water, into the canner. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at how good that looks. Doesn't that look pretty? That looks so pretty, you guys. So good. Okay, we'll get them in here. We're gonna do it for 35 minutes. And at the end of the canning session, I will bring you guys back and show you the results, as always. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please hit that bell. Here we go. So I'm going to let it vent. When the steam comes out, and it's going for 10 minutes, well, when the steam comes out, I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes, let it steam for 10 minutes, then put the weight on it. This is my old canner. I'll be doing a video of the All-American canner. I have not done that yet, and of the light that I'm using. So thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned. The results video will be following this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great evening.